I am visiting Montagnard Association of North Carolina in Greensboro. I'm at their parking lot right now. Gonna turn left, and the building is here.
This is our parking lot for those of you who came in 96 or earlier or before that. As you can see, this we used to be on Summit Avenue, where our building was really small, where we used to rent over there, and we needed a bigger space. And this provide us with plenty of parking space, and also our office is on the second floor up there, second floor, and this building, if you remember or some of you might recognize, this used to be the old Lutheran Family Social Service building back in the day. For example, for us, my family came in 1996, so they used to come here to get services, help with like employments and stuff like that. This is where we are downtown, well, kind of a little bit outside of downtown, I believe. The baseball part is right next to that on that side. It's pretty easy to find. Well, depending on your GPS, I think, because downtown has a lot of one-way street, and it might sometimes take you
That's
around.
true.
But just look for the old red brick building.
Yeah.
That's where you look for when you're looking for us. Hopefully, within like 5 or 6 years, we'll be able to have our own space where we can call home. We are in the process of building. I'm trying to raise funds to have our own space for a community wellness center / our office. So if you want to learn more about that, come talk to us. Follow me. We're gonna go inside. So to go to our office, you can go through the side door where the Spring Street is. If you're coming on Spring Street, you can go there, or you can enter through Edward as well. But if you need the elevator, you come through here through these glass windows.
Yeah.
The glass windows that's there. Invite us. Inside, there's a lot of different offices. The Reading Connection is right here on the right side. They have an amazing program. There's one of our partner. They provide like job training and English class and many other things. So Reading Connection there, but there's a lot of other offices too. But we're on the second floor. It's 210A, but we're missing a number. We're missing a number, but actually it's 210A. We're on the second floor.
I see.
But over here, actually, I wanted to show you guys the Montagnard Council.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the Montagnard Council's office. Mr. Mien is this is his contact information. He's actually in Charlotte, but this is their office, and they meet like once a month. So if you want to learn more about the Dega Council, where they have different tribal represented in the tribal council, so just contact Mr. Mien so you can learn more about it. Follow me, see.
Bro.
And then so when you come out, you just go to the right or take the elevator. Just follow this side. Follow
I
this
see.
side.
That's.
Then you'll have to go through a maze to find us. And then you see another sign that's saying we're that way.
Yes.
And then you see this beautiful painting through this door. So that should look familiar. That's us. This is painted by Sachi, Gloria, and Lima. And then you'll find some of the old photos of our elders who are part of our program, our culture preservation program and health program. This was at an event called the Unity Walk-On Festival. This was at the National Folk Festival. There's two right here. This was at the 2015 National Folk Festival as well. And one of our flu shot. This was at the Creative Aging Network events. Yeah, this is at the soccer event. These are some of our older members of MAO. in 2015. And these are like some of the newer members that are our children. And we'll have some more photo in the future. And then you come through this door. Ring the doorbell because we always keep our doors locked. Just ring the doorbell. If somebody don't open, just call the number. And somebody will come open the door for you. Okay. When you come in, so this is like our board meeting room / classroom. You know, we have classes in here, Rajini class, English class, and stuff like that. As you can see, different languages and some of the stuff that you're learning, I guess, this week.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
I like this.
And then we have, this is like our studio / multi-purpose use room. This is where our dance class happen. And then this is my office. These are some of the artwork from the wellness class that Sachi taught. They did this. Yeah, we have a wellness Friday class, and they did that. Purchase some of our merch.
Oh
Get
yes.
some of our merch to support our community center project. Make sure you get them.
Yeah.
You can purchase them online as well. Yeah, and then we'll ship it to you. To support the dream, buy the merch to support this dream. Yeah. You can donate online as well. And or reach out to us if you have any questions. Okay. We used to do weaving classes, but right now weaving classes on pause until probably in the spring because Sachi is very busy. Right now weaving is not here. We plan to do basket weaving too in the spring. We're just taking a little break right now. This is Hoan's artwork. We purchased it from her.
Oh wow.
Yeah, she's in Charlotte. Did some really great artwork. And this hall, this long hallway is just different office space. You know, each of our staff person have their own office space, just so that they can concentrate and do their work and stuff like that. More artwork from either a community member or staff. And this is Sachi's artwork, a copy of her artwork. This is one of our community member. Yeah, this is also some of our community members' artwork. But that's one of my favorite ones. This one of our community member, Mr. Ino. Yeah, his little longhouse artwork.
Wow.
It's like, it reminds me of my old house because we have like the long one and then we have the little one in the back of the long one where we have like a kitchen area. Yeah.
See that.
Yeah. Do you want to?
It's other offices. Oh yeah.
Come to the Spring Street, and then you come to this area, waiting area. Yeah.
Very nice.
So fun.